In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to a specific date on TradingView. If you've ever found yourself endlessly scrolling back through charts to find a past event or a key level, this quick method will save you a lot of time. We'll keep it simple and precise, and I'll add a few tips along the way so you get it right the first time. First, look at the bottom of your chart. You'll see the horizontal axis that shows dates and times. This is your timeline, and along this axis there's a small date or time icon, often styled like a calendar or clock. It sits right on the lower edge of the chart area, where the months, days, and years are marked. If your chart is zoomed in very tightly, you might need to glance left or right along that bottom bar to spot it. Once you identify that date-time icon on the horizontal axis, you're ready to move on. Go ahead and click that date icon. As soon as you do, a small Go to Date window will appear on your screen. This pop-up is designed for quick navigation to a precise point in time, so you don't need to drag the chart around or change your current time frame. It's a straightforward input box, and it's usually front and center, so you can't miss it. In the Go to Date window, enter the exact date you want to visit. Type the year, month, and day carefully. Pay attention to the format shown in the placeholder text or hint inside the box. TradingView may use a region-specific format like YY, YY, MMDD, or DD, MMYY, YYY, and matching that format ensures you land on the right spot. If you're researching a specific earnings day, a major market event, or a technical level you marked in the past, this is where precision matters. Double-check your entry before proceeding, especially the year, so you don't jump to the wrong decade by accident. Now click OK to confirm. The chart will immediately jump to the selected date and center that point on your screen. Your time frame stays the same, your indicators remain applied, and only the visible portion of the chart shifts to the date you chose. If nothing changes, verify that the symbol you're viewing has historical data for that period. Some tickers or lower liquidity instruments don't have very old history. Also, make sure the date exists in the market's calendar if you're on a daily chart, since weekends and holidays won't have bars. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.